Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter and redeem a Discord Nitro code step by step. Whether you've received a Nitro code as a gift from a friend, won one in a giveaway, or grabbed a special promotion online, this guide will help you activate Nitro quickly and without any confusion. If you've ever wondered where to paste the code or what happens after redemption, you're in the right place. Let's get everything set up properly. First, open Discord on your device. You can use the desktop app or simply visit discord.com in your web browser. Once Discord opens, make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want the Nitro benefits applied. This is super important, so double check before moving forward. When you're logged in, look toward the bottom left corner of the Discord window and click the small gear icon to open your user settings. Next, inside user settings, focus on the left side menu. Scroll down until you find the section related to Nitro or gifts, and then click on Gift Inventory. This area is specifically designed to manage and redeem codes, so you're right where you need to be. On the Gift Inventory page, you'll see a field where you can enter your Discord Nitro code. Carefully type or paste the full 19-character code into the box, and take a second to check for any typos before continuing. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your internet connection is stable, confirm the code hasn't already been used, and ensure it hasn't expired. Doing this ahead of time can save you frustration and prevent unnecessary errors during redemption. Once you've entered the code correctly, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and accept the Nitro gift. After that, your Nitro subscription should activate immediately, and you'll see a confirmation message letting you know everything worked. If you already have an active Nitro subscription, don't worry, the new gift usually converts into account credit and applies automatically once your current plan ends. It's also a good idea to check your Nitro status afterward to confirm all perks are active and ready to use. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to redeem a Discord Nitro code easily and enjoy all the premium features without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this guide helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be stuck. Why not make someone's day easier?